So one of the things that you can do in Affinity is work around with stroke width profile and save it and use it in multiple strokes as you wish. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, bring out a stroke right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and select it and then increase this in size. So you can see that I got pretty like, let's say, for example, like straight stroke right here. But if you want to go ahead and change expressive properties, you can go around over here onto the stroke, and then over here you can see the property right here. Let's just go around onto pressure. You can go ahead and change this out, as you can see, and you can click and drag this out to go ahead and change the property wherever you like. You can go ahead and click and drag this out, click and drag this up right here, just like this. So if you want to go ahead and save this profile, then simply save this profile out right here. Then you can go ahead and reset it and then create another profile as you wish right here, just like this. You can go ahead and then click and drag, and then this is what you have right here. You can go ahead and click and drag this out as well and save out the profile. Let's just go ahead and reset it out as well, and then click and drag this out, and then you can see another profile right here. So apart from that, now what I can do is, let's say for example, if I were to click and drag with the pen right here, you can see that the same profile is applied. And now what you can do to simply change is click and choose another profile as you wish, and similar profile will be applied out right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then save out stroke width profile and use it inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.